Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to calculate previous quarter sales. So how to take the difference between the current quarter sales and a previous quarter sales, we are going to see in today's video. So before getting into that, so please subscribe my channel and also watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding in DAX. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'll try to explain what are the steps I have done to create this report and all. So before getting into the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have taken to create this report and all. So customer table, geography, product, sales territory, dim date, category, subcategory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have taken from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship I have established between our dimension tables and fact tables. So we'll try to look into that is also. So for that, go to the model tab, just go to the model tab, collapse these two, scroll down a little bit. Now we can see that already I have established the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. So for example, if you place the mouse between any of them, so some kind of color highlighting, it means that we have established the relationship between the dimension table and fact table based on this key. Okay, so even the filter propagation flowing from one direction to many direction, it means that from customer table to the fact internet sales. Likewise, we have established the relationship for the same. Also I have designed the relationship for other tables also. Okay, now I'll go to the report tab. Here we can understand. So this is the matrix as well. So in this we have year. So when I drill down to further level, we can see that quarter level. Okay, so for the 2001, so what are the sales amount? 2, what is sales? 3 sales, 4 sales. So this is the previous quarter sales, this is the previous. But if you look at here in this two measures, in 2001 we can able to see the here 2001 sales, but here we are not able to see the 2001 sales. Why? Because this sales represents previous quarter sales. Okay, here also we can see that in this 83,489. So if you go for one more step up, 83,489, it means that whatever the quarter, last quarter of this year, it is showing here. But in this measure we are taking from the, in this context, in 2001, whatever the context, we are able to see same sales we are taking here. So for getting all these, I have created these two measures. I'll try to show that is also. So previous quarter, so I'm zooming that so that we can see clearly. Okay, so here I have declared one variable, sales variable. Within that I have used the calculate filter function. So after that I am checking if whether the quarter is getting filtered or not. So if it is getting filtered, so based on that this expression it will execute. If it is not, it returns the total sales within this context. Okay, so it means that here it's not getting filtered by quarter. So this is the year level context, that is the reason we are returning with respect to the year wise. But when you drill down to further level, we can see that quarter sales, right? What is the previous quarter sales? For example, in quarter 3 this is the sales, in quarter 4 this is the sales. When it comes to previous quarter, so quarter 4, what is the previous quarter? Quarter 3. So likewise we have created these two measures to get this previous quarter sales with respect to the current quarter. Okay, and also we can understand what is the difference between these current and previous. So we can see here also. So likewise I have created these measures. So we'll try to go to the different page. Here we can understand. So here I have created another chart. So basically here we can see that total sales, total current quarter sales, previous quarter sales based on year selection. For example, in 2002, so what is the current quarter, first quarter sales, previous quarter sales. Likewise, we can understand visually also which quarter is performing well, which quarter is not doing well. So based on that, we can study the data and make a decision on that. Okay. And also I have created another page also. Here I have taken date wise. So date wise, so which day is performing well comparing to the previous quarter with respect to the current quarter sales, and taking the difference. And also I have added a conditional formatting for this so that we can understand whether it is previous quarter, current quarter, which one is doing better performing. So based on this color symbol data bars, we can easily understand where it is getting more sales, where it is not getting more sales. And also I'll try to show that is also sales difference. Go to here, click on conditional formatting, data bars, it's getting open. Now you can see if the value is a positive means, so we will going to show this color. If the value is negative means we are going to show this color. Okay, for the positive bar this color, for the negative bar this color. So it's like these are the two slicers. This is a quarter slicer and this is a year slicer. So based on that selection, automatically we can understand which one doing well and good sales. See, quarter two. And also this is another chart level. This is the table level, this is the chart level. So here also we are showing total current quarter sales, previous quarter sales. Based on that, we can easily understand which one is doing well, which one is not doing well, and make a decision, so that we can study the data, and based on that we can take a decision on that. So likewise we can create the quarter sales and all. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for other videos. Thank you so much for watching.